Hi little friends, welcome to Learn with Enjoy. Today I am going to show you how to plant radish. Do you all like to plant radish? I think. So let's start now. First you all have to take some radish seeds and put those seeds into a water cup and see what are the seeds that come into the up of the cup and what are the seeds that go into the deep of the cup. What are the seeds that coming up? Those seeds are the bad seeds. What are the seeds that go into the deep of the cup? Those seeds are the good seeds. Keep one day in the water. What are the seeds that go into the deep of the cup? When next day comes, you all can take those seeds very carefully and plant it in a rice bag or a teapot. And keep near sunlight and put some water to the pot. When 1 week or 2 weeks, the radish small plants are coming. From 3 months or 2 months, the radish is coming. I hope you all understood how to plant radish. Let's see you all in another video.